What up, Smart Rapper Gang? Welcome to episode number 2 of Would You Rap to These Beats. Now, before we start the show every week, I have to let everybody know, in case you're new here, exactly what the show is for and why it's very beneficial to you as a music artist and as a music producer. Number 1 is to provide you upcoming rappers with the best hand-selected beats from around the internet. We actually review every single beat and decide on which ones are the best out of thousands of beats, okay? What? Number 2, every week, if you make a song to this beat, you can actually submit that song for free and potentially win a shout out on the Instagram. Get your song into the Smart Rapper playlist and get into one of these Smart Rapper videos on this channel that has over 200,000 subscribers. You're gonna get that type of exposure from this. Again, it's a free submission if you've made a song to one of these beats. That means you're gonna get heard by tens of thousands of people. And we choose 5 people a week. Whoa. Come on now. And we put you in a smartrapper.com article so you get link juice so you can get verified easier later. Number 3, it's a way to give great exposure to really good beat makers and producers that can't seem to get their beats heard by rappers. What's a better place to give them exposure to than a place where there's nothing but rappers at, alright? If you have producer friends that want to submit their beats to get heard, they can submit up to 20 beats at a time. You can tell them to go to smartrapperbeats.com/submit. Number 4, you smart rappers are actually helping producers because in every video, I ask you to give them feedback on if you like the beat or not. Would you rap to the beat or would you not rap to the beat? And why not? This helps them make better beats, which helps producers get better, which helps them make better stuff for you, which makes your songs better when you choose those songs. Just makes sense. Number 5, the most powerful part is I forced you to make a new song every week to one of these beats so that you don't have a reason to keep procrastinating. You have to make a song to one of these beats. You have to submit it in order to win the promotion, okay? So I'm kicking you in the butt, making you help these producers using their beats, making a song, completing a song, submitting the song to get that song heard and get that promo to tens of thousands of people. Okay? No more excuses. I want you guys making songs. Every week you have from when this video posts on Sunday until next Sunday to submit your song, okay? And the information on how you can do that is smartrapperbeats.com/submit song. And they'll show you how to do that once your song is completed. So, I want to know, would you rap to these beats? And if you would, then go do it.
Smart Rapper Gang!
just so you know, all these beats that you heard today can be heard on smartrapperbeats.com. And also, more importantly, I didn't mention in the beginning of the video because I didn't want to confuse anybody, but if you're part of the Smart Rapper community, which is 100% free to join, we're actually creating threads in the forums where each beat every week, like these beats that you heard today, will actually be put into a thread. Okay, meaning it'll have its own topic inside of the forum. So if you want to find somebody who you want to collab with on a certain beat, go into the Smart Rapper community.smartrapper.com, join for free, join the mixtape level, go into there and go to the name of the beat from this week, say, hey, I want to collab with somebody. And then another artist is going to come in there and say, hey, I want to collab too, what's your link? Let's connect, let's work on this beat together. No one's ever done this before. This is why I really thought this out, guys. I really thought this out. Also, if you have any feedback for me or things that you want to see more of, or what I can add to these videos, tell me, because I'll change it and I'll add it to it, okay? I really appreciate your feedback. Remember, you're helping me, you're helping other artists, and you're helping producers.
Gang.